जय हिंद. दीर्घिका नॉलेज ओशियन या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपलं सहर्ष स्वागत आहे. This is the type of mock test. So all of you are requested to take pen and paper and note down the correct answer of your own. For every question you will be given 10 seconds to think and the final answer key will be displayed at the end of this video. Thank you. Question number 1. Distance traveled by light in dash dash year is called as light year, and options are: option number 1 is 2 year, option number 2 is half year, option number 3 is 1 year, and option number 4 is none of these. Question number 2. When the gravitational force of star is greater than the gas force, then the star dash dash, and option number 1 is contracts, option number 2 is expands, option number 3 is no effect, and option number 4 is becomes black hole. Question number 3. Light takes dash dash seconds to reach us from the moon. Option number 1 is 8, option number 2 is 3, option number 3 is 2, and option number 4 is 1. Question number 4. Approximate surface temperature of sun is dash dash. Option number 1 is 5800 Kelvin, option number 2 is 4930 Kelvin, option number 3 is 3230 Kelvin, and option number 4 is 8000 Kelvin. Question number 5. River, ponds and ocean are dash dash ecosystem. Option number 1 is land, option number 2 is synthetic, option number 3 is areal, and option number 4 is aquatic. Question number 6. Which one of the following is the odd one? Option number 1 is land ecosystem, option number 2 is creek ecosystem, option number 3 is marine ecosystem, and option number 4 is freshwater ecosystem. Question number 7. The Great Himalaya National Park is the largest sanctuary where following rare species is conserved. Option number 1 is white elephant, option number 2 is White Panther, option number 3 is Black Panther, and option number 4 is white bear. Question number 8. Find out the odd man from the following. Option number 1 is humidity, option number 2 is soil, option number 3 is plant, and option number 4 is water. Question number 9. Which of the following is the organic substance? Option number 1 is lipids, option number 2 is carbohydrate, option number 3 is protein, and option number 4 is sodium. Question number 10. Which of the following is not the example of thermoplastic? Option number 1 is ropes, option number 2 is television, option number 3 is shoes, and option number 4 is toys. Question number 11. Which of the following is not made up of polyester? Option number 1 is milk bag. Option number 2 is fiber glass. Option number 3 is toner of printer. And option number 4 is all of above. Question number 12. Dash dash uses the properties of reflection of light. Option number 1 is microscope. Option number 2 is oscilloscope. Option number 3 is periscope. And option number 4 is signal generator. Question number 13. Which of the following is not the law of reflection? Option number 1 is the incident ray and the reflected ray are on the opposite side of the normal. Option number 2 is the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal lie in the same plane. Option number 3, the angle of reflection is greater than the angle of incidence. And option number 4 is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Question number 14. Vibration in string is associated with which of the following option? Option number 1 is tuning fork. Option number 2 is sitar. Option number 3 is tabla. And option number 4 is jal tarang. Question number 15. Dash dash is the frequency of digital note dha. Option number 1 is 426 Hz. Option number 2 is 280 Hz. Option number 3 is 480 Hz. And option number 4 is 384 Hz. Question number 16. Two astronauts talking on the moon unable to listen to each other. Why? Because option number 1 is dense atmosphere. Option number 2 is no water. Option number 3 is no atmosphere. And option number 4 is no oxygen. Question number 17. Dash dash is the coefficient of areal expansion of the solid. Option number 1 is beta. Option number 2 is sigma. Option number 3 is gamma. And option number 4 is alpha. Question number 18. Freezing point of water is dash dash degree centigrade. Option number 1 is 100. Option number 2 is 5. Option number 3 is -5. And option number 4 is 0. Question number 19. The unit of heat in the SI system is dash dash. Option number 1 is joule. Option number 2 is calories. Option number 3 is degree. And option number 4 is ampere. Question number 20. Electron configuration of chlorine is dash dash. Option number 1 is 282. Option number 2 is 287. Option number 3 is 288. and option number 4 is 281.